U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 21. Question 1. Which of the following shows Tyndall effect? A. Sugar solution. B. Salt solution. C. Milk. D. Urea solution. Answer: C. Milk. Question 2. The number of electrons in the d orbital of FeCN6 3- is A. 1, B. 3, C. 5, D. 6. Answer: A. 1. Question 3. Which of the following is an example of antiseptic? A. Bithianol. B. Chloramphenicol. C. Paracetamol. D. Aspirin. Answer: A. Bithianol. Question 4. The geometry of SO2 is A. Linear. B. Trigonal planar. C. Bent. D. Tetrahedral. Answer: C. Bent. Question 5. Which of the following is a broad-spectrum antibiotic? A. Penicillin. B. Ampicillin. C. Streptomycin. D. Tetracycline. Answer: D. Tetracycline. Question 6. The number of stereoisomers for COEN2Cl2+ is A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer: B. 3. Question 7. Which of the following is a cationic detergent? A. Sodium lauryl sulfate. B. Cetyl trimethylammonium bromide. C. Glycerol. D. Glycine. Answer: B. Cetyl trimethylammonium bromide. Question 8. The hybridization in PCl5 is A. sp3, B. sp2, C. sp3d2, D. sp3d. Answer: D. sp3d. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of anti-fertility drug? A. Aspirin. B. Norepinephrine. C. Chloramphenicol. D. Equinil. Answer: B. Norepinephrine. Question 10. The number of possible position isomers for dichlorobenzene is A. 2, B. 4, C. 3, D. 5. Answer: C. 3.
If you got this 10 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more challenges.